Here is a 2025 remake of this 42-inch. Sorry, it's like 11 o'clock at night right now. I was out with my cousins and we were doing stuff. So it's summer vacation, so I sound tired. But here's a 2020. I just said that 42-inch SMC UB42 installed in this bedroom here of the cabin, kind of called the black room. Well, at least that's what Grammy called it. This room, it doesn't have it anymore with the bunk bed, because they built this bunk bed when my uncle bought the cabin. There used to be a little SMC hugger. I think it was like a UB30 something or other. So we'll go ahead and start it out on low. It hums a bit. Those glass shades might just be loose. Maybe. Medium. High. There's a good breeze. All right, thanks for watching and see you later.